Once upon a time, in a lush, green jungle, there was a young lion named Leo. Though Leo was small compared to the other lions, he had a big heart and an even bigger dream. He wanted to be the bravest and most skilled lion in the jungle. Every day, Leo practiced running, jumping, and roaring. But no matter how hard he tried, he couldn't roar as loudly or leap as high as the older lions. The other animals often teased him. One day, a terrible storm hit the jungle. Strong winds uprooted trees, and rain flooded the rivers. The animals were scared and didn't know what to do. The jungle's river bank was in danger of collapsing, and everyone was in a panic. Leo saw the fear in everyone's eyes and knew he had to help, even if he wasn't as strong as the older lions. With determination in his heart, he ran to the river bank, where he saw that the strong currents were making the river bank crumble. Leo spotted a large, fallen tree nearby. Summoning all his courage and strength, he dragged the tree to the river bank and used it to block the rushing water. Though it was heavy, he worked tirelessly, pushing and pulling with all his might. As the storm raged on, Leo's brave actions began to make a difference. The fallen tree held back the water, and slowly the flooding subsided. The animals watched in awe as Leo, though small, showed incredible strength and bravery. When the storm finally passed, the jungle was safe, and the animals celebrated Leo's heroism. They realized that it wasn't about how big or strong Leo was, but about his courage and determination. Leo had proved that even the smallest of us can make a big difference. From that day on, Leo was admired and respected by all the animals in the jungle. He had shown them that with hard work and belief in oneself, even the biggest dreams can come true. Moral: no matter how small you may feel, your courage and determination can help you achieve great things. Believe in yourself, and you can make a difference in the world.